Hello everyone, welcome to the Code Syndicate. Today I am launching a new series on Python programming language. Python is a very dynamic language used mainly in web development, data science, machine learning, etc. My purpose of creating this series is I want to create a good and easy to understand course on Python classes and some other advanced topics. But before that, I will touch some basic Python concept. If you are beginner and trying to learn advanced Python, do subscribe to this channel. Python is both interpreted and compiled language. You may have often heard about compiled and interpreted language. Let's have a brief introduction. Compiled language are the language which are converted to machine code before it gets executed. That means first you convert your codes to machine code with the help of compiler and then execute it. While interpreted languages execute instruction directly without earlier compiling. Now let's understand how Python is both compiled and interpreted. Python instructions are first compiled to bytecodes and then these bytecodes are interpreted in the PVM, Python Virtual Machine. This is the reason we call Python both compiled and interpreted.